Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to talk about nothing but a navigation bar. Yeah, this is the navigation bar, or you can say a slide bar. We are going to design this in Flutter. So let's start it. Hello guys, so you can see in this video there is a app bar and it has a background color. Actually I haven't hot loaded this, so it just shows me blue color in this case, and I gave a text as slide. Just go out of the app bar, and we'll write a body in this case. So we'll write a body in this case. Mm, Actually, what do we need? We need nothing like a drawer, maybe a drawer. So I'll just write a drawer. It should be in the form of new drawer, and RAWER drawer, yeah, okay. And this drawer will have something like a child. And what do we need in the child? Oh, just we'll write a new, what we say, a list view, maybe. Not maybe, it is a list view because we need number of childs, and the first child will just have nothing like a user account drawer. Actually I am going to say what is a user. So in this list view I will just pass the children, because we can give multiple children like rows and columns as they do. So let's see what can we do with the children. So first we need nothing like yeah, a user account drawer header. It's like a header. So it has some parameters in this. So as it shows, it gives the account name. So what do we want to give the name? I will just write nothing like in the form of new text, and it should be something like user, and just hotline it once again. Okay, here you can see this thing, right? This is the hamburger, and you can see it shows me user, and this is the thing which you get. I don't need a debug button icon or a banner over there, so I'll just write a debug banner, which should be in the form of boolean like false. And okay, so as you can see, you know that it will have something like avatar, a circle avatar over there. So in that header, go inside. This is the header, right? So let's go inside this header, and I will just write uh, current account picture should be something like in the form of new circle avatar. So I'll just write a circle avatar, and let's see what we can give a circle avatar image. And it should be in the form of something like, actually I will just go from the network. Wait for some second. I think so I can I'll just bring that link from, yeah, I got the link here, and I'll just paste it. Here we go, the link. And so okay, we have just copied the link, and we have done with the circle avatar. And where is the child? Okay, now we are done with the upper thing. Now I will just add nothing like I need a tile, right? Like a tiles. Tiles means nothing like a list type. So I will just add a new list tile, maybe. Okay, here we got the list tile, and in the list tile, actually I need to give some list, right? So I need to give that tile some name. So I will just write a title, and I will just write new in the form of text. And what should I give? Something like info, maybe. Yeah, info. Sorry for the mistake. And okay, before that you can just go here and create a new file, and I will just write something like a info dot dart. And in this file I will just import the material.dart package. And in this I have just imported the material.dart package. So I will just write a class for this, and this class will be nothing like what should I give in and it should be a stateless widget. As I know, it should be a stateless widget. I just write stl for stateless widget, and I will just give it a name something like capital I with a capital I info, and it should return something like scaffold. I just write a new scaffold because okay, and I'll just import that thing in here. So I'll just write a import dot slash info dot dart. So we have imported that thing, that package. So now whenever once I will hotload it, let's see what does it shows. So okay, you can see this. Now we are clicking, nothing happens. So in this case I will just write nothing like when the button is tapped. Okay, when the tile is tapped, so I will just write an on tap, not a long press, on tap. And let's see what we can do in the on tap. So what we can do, we'll just navigate to that other info, means other scaffold which we have recently. So I will just write what we say, navigate dot push. Now it will have two. The first one is set to be as context, and the second one is nothing but the route in which we want to go. Okay, sorry for that update. So what, in which route we do want to go. So I will just write nothing like a new material based route. Now why does it choose? Okay, it will have something like a semicolon in this case. Okay, and we'll just go inside this. Now what do we need in this? Actually this page will just pass a builder, and this builder will have something like a builder context and a context, maybe, yeah, a context. And just again doing that on this class, and I will just go to that class which we have recently created in that with the capital I info. That's it. Now you can see we have navigating to that, well, that page in this, like a activity in the Android Studio. It's like an activity in the Android Studio to go to another page. Now this is pushed, right? So I think so. Let's see what does it show. I think we have reloaded, and I'll click. You can see our new scaffold. Actually, why doesn't it doesn't have anything, right? Because we haven't gave anything in this scaffold. So I'll just write the same thing as we do. I just create a material dot app, and I will just give it a home or something like a home page, as we are doing this much programming. So I'll just again return something like a stateful or stateless. It's almost your wish, because we are not doing anything with, as you can do many things in this case. And with this home page you can just add a text, you can add an app bar. So it returns a container, so we don't need a container. We'll just add something like a scaffold again, and it should have a app bar of something like app bar. It should be in the form of new app bar. Okay, and this app bar should have a title, and it should have something like a new text, and I will just write info. And okay, so it should have an info, and it also have a body. In this case I will just also give the body with a text or something like welcome to info. Okay, now just hotload it once again. Okay, you can see this case, right? Info and welcome to info. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching this video. Now if you have seen still this end, just hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit so signing out.